Hey guys, it's your Sir Gab. Our day started with a breakfast at McDonald's. Wala akong klase ngayon kaya I decided to work on our business. Gupit lang ng gupit dahil naiipon na yung orders. And here's a sample of the finished product. Pure effort at lahat ay handcrafted. Afterwards, dineliver ko na rin at kumain na kami diretso. Oo, kain na naman. Nagiging parang bula na lang yung salitang diet. Nasundan pa to ng pagkakape. Ngayon lang ako nakapunta dito ng maaga sa Common Kind. Madalas, late afternoon o kaya gabi. Pero ngayon, sobrang refreshing pala ng ganitong oras dahil konti pa lang ang tao. It is a combination of coffee shop, thrift store, and a self-photo studio. Nag-inquire na kami ni Ena dahil nagbabala kami magpa-picture nila Justin. Later on, pumunta kami ng school para kuhanin namin yung bagong ID Lace polo shirt ng organization. Chill vibes na lang yung campus dahil hapon na. We are planning to wear this tomorrow. It's our wash day at para hindi na rin kami mahirapan mag-isip kung anong susuotin. Kinagabihan, nilipat ko na yung ID ko sa panibagong ID Lace. Noong una, pinag-iisipan pa namin kung magpe-purchase kami dahil last time na nga at hindi na ito masyadong magagamit. But still, for remembrance. Ako lang ba yung pa nagsusuot ng ID is feeling mo proud na proud ka to represent your school and your course. That's all. Follow for more.